Last time in Soul Rebirth, our heroes landed on the island, only to have been caught by the Navy. They, put a little bit of a fight, and Killer might have triggered something in the little Lieutenant Romeo, which triggered him to awaken something, which caused Beta to almost kind of hate Killer for the moment, but now they seem to be in a combat battle strat. Now we go over to Beta and James fighting Lieutenant Romeo.
Alrighty. Hope you're ready for me, kid. Because I ain't gonna go easy on you even though you're a fucking kid.
He's like 17 years old.
Don't care. Dude, I was 17 when I was a pirate.
Wait a minute. Where did he go? James just lost sight of Lieutenant Romeo. Oh, fuck no. Where the fuck did this little shit go?
Alrighty. Arc barrier. And then what I'm gonna do is arc blue fire. Burning fist.
And the little lieutenant just blocks that hit, and then he screams to the rest of the remaining soldiers alive, "Don't give up, men! We still have hope! Let's take these bastards down!" Giving moral support to his men as he's fighting all these guys. Oh, cute. Little lieutenant giving his moral support to his men. I wonder what happened if they're binded up. James puts his fingers into work and binds the soldiers together, sewing them together like rope. Well, it seems your buddies are all tangled together.
Now would be the time, James, to use that second soul ability of yours that you've been telling me about.
Second soul ability? Second soul ability?
You know, the one that you got off that one guy 4 years ago?
Oh, right. That one. Bubble blower. A bunch of bubbles come out. And proceeded to go around the field. It traps Lieutenant Romeo in it. What the hell is this? Oh, don't feel quite bubbly, kid. You seem to be trapped. Bobble and wobble all you want, boy. You can't get out of that bubble. Unless with my permission. Damn it! Alright, Captain. Now we can go in for the kill.
Yeah.
Fuck it, I'll just attack.
Sorry, I'm kind of drunk. I had a big hangover the other night.
No, you just seem tired. Whatever, let's just fight already.
Yeah.
Reaper Cloth begins to use his scythe and powers in, but however, Romeo figures out how the bubble works. He quickly, almost like for a minute, uses electricity. Doesn't work, but then his fingertips touch the bubble and it froze.
That is not good, Reaper Cloth. Pull back.
Ooh.
Fuck, I mean
what
James.
The fuck? He comes out of the bubble.
Fuck, he's got ice. And I don't think that's magic.
Huh. That ain't gonna work. Okay then.
Use your other one. Use, fucking your third one.
Right. Poison flames! He scatters a bunch of flames with poisonous ooze around it. Romeo blows the flames and they become ice, and he punches through it.
Alrighty, fuck. Okay, you little fuck boy. Let's see how you deal with this. Arc magic. 10,000 degree. Fire fist!
It knocks Lieutenant Romeo down, but he's just stomps his foot down, and he looks like serious. He's about to fight for his life. No, I'm not gonna fall here. No way. Alright then. Then try this. He lifts his hand. And he slams it, and seems to be a thunderbolt crashes down where Beta is, shocking him.
Oh, fuck.
Oh shit, Captain! Holy fuck, that knocked him out! It's like a critical hit or something! Isn't he like thunder resistant? The fuck was that?
James,
What?
keep fighting. I'm gonna see if I can heal myself.
Alright. I'll fight the kid. Fuck it. Come on out, Reaper Cloth. He taps himself and he knocks out. And the mask wolves around his face, putting his hair back shoving his hair back in, and then a cackling laughter appears. It's time to play, you little shit! He comes in.
Romeo, caught off guard by this. He's kind of frightened, but manages to snap out of it and continue to fight this man.
Reapercloth comes in with another scythe attack. Romeo dodges it. In what seemed to be a moment, he uses the same technique of Captain Doug and gut checks Reapercloth. Oof! Oh, that hurts, you little shit! He bitch smacks Romeo, sending him flying, knocking him out for a little bit.
Fuck. Arc healing. Moss patcher. Fuck, you hit me good.
Might have hit you a little bit too good. I'll have to check your brain after this battle.
You're not touching my brain, Reapercloth.
Well, I don't blame you. You have way too many bells. Of course you're going to keep forgetting about them.
Yeah, considering my soul abilities allows me to use every single type of magic that exists.
Yeah, you would have. Where's the kid?
Where'd he go? Oh, no.
Oh, there he is. He lifts up his scythe. Splits the body. However, the kid wasn't there. It was an ice decoy.
Fuck, it's a decoy!
What the fuck? And Romeo, standing above Reapercloth, legs around his neck, swings himself over, twisting Reapercloth's neck.
No!
He passes out.
Fuck. It's not good at all. Not good.
One down. Guys, keep fighting! Go help Captain Doug! Yes, sir! Heading back over to the battle with Captain Doug, he smirks. You see that? That's what I call teamwork! He starts getting hyped up. Go full charge, man! Yeah!
Alright, time to use a new bullet. Wind bullet. Ripper Windstorm!
Sending all these Navy soldiers flying after the bullet was shot.
Well, at least they tried. They can't go up against those damn bullets. All right, no more playing.
And for a moment, Doug's fingers start having claws at the end. His appearance starts changing, looking more animal-like. And for a moment, he turned into this weird werebeast. Standing above them was Captain Doug, who transformed himself into a wolf.
You little shits are screwed now, suckers.
He prepares to do a claw attack at Killer, hitting twice and leaving a fatal blow on Killer's chest.
Oh, shit.
Okay.
And then with his next action, he proceeds to kick Killer down to the ground, leaving him prone.
You two little shits are next.
What do we do? What do we do? Shoot! I don't know. We gotta figure something out fast. Rick, I think I got an idea, but you need to follow with me. Make a clay clone and hand it over to me. Thank you. Sorry, little buddy.
He puts the little clay blob in the gun, loads it, and fires at Captain Doug.
Special technique. Clay blob cannon.
Big mistake.
He cuts the bullet down.
But the clay blob bullet still continues to go, and when it was cut, it splits into needles and stabs Captain Doug in the chest.
Ooh. Spoils of war,
He says,
I'd rather keep you kids occupied. Sees my lieutenants having all the fun over there. Hey! Romeo! Switch! Alright, sir!
they switch over and Romeo begins to run over to them. And Doug comes up, jumping up from the air and begins to attack Beta.
Fuck.
Wolfing Fist!
In a karate-like motion, battles with Beta's block.
Arc magic. Black hole!
And a black hole appears and seems to be sucking in Doug.
Oh, you dirty chick. You dirty sheep.
As he stutters his words a little bit and gets stuck in the black hole.
Close.
The black hole closes. What seems to be Captain Doug disappeared.
Captain!
It seems to be Beta passed out. Reaper Claw's passed out, and so is Killer. The only two remained are Rick and Shoot.
What do we do? What do we do, Rick? I don't know. We're screwed now.
Just you two. I'll find out what the hell happened to Captain Doug. Okay. Time to use that trick that I was been doing with training. He begins to put his fingers together, like a motion, like a gun. It charges up, with electricity and ice fusing in like a bullet. He screams out the attack's name.
Parafreeze cannon!
It shoots out. It fires sparks all over, and it hits the golem.
Fuck.
Just only moving him a little bit back.
Ricky, what do we do? I'm scared. Says one of the clay blobs inside the golem body. I don't want to die. We're all gonna fucking die!
And for a moment, Lieutenant Romeo stops. He just stares at both of them and goes, Really? When I heard these Black Cloud guys were really tough, I didn't expect them to panic. Oh well. Guess I'll just come over. He quickly runs through, like hopping one side to another, and then he does an air kick, putting Rick back.
This is not good. Okay.
And then Romeo looks over to shoot.
Shoot!
Rick tries to cover it and save her, but Romeo freezes his hand. Shoot, Death Steel. Am I right?
It's shoot Ricochet.
Sorry. Wrong person. His arm begins to charge up with electricity. No hard feelings. The job's a job. Gut punches shoot, electrocuting her. She falls prone to the ground.
After a while, Jinx and Angelica start to worry about the 5 that just walked out, and to see what just happened, their terror on their faces.
Well, time to get the... Oh, no. God damn it! The captain had the cuffs! Well, gotta make with do. Lieutenant Romeo begins to pile them all up and then freezes their limbs, paralyzing their bodies too, just in case.
He finds 2 girls that just walked off their ship.
Are you with them too? Captain Angelica, the hell are you doing here?
I'd have to ask you the same thing. You know I was sent to die, right?
He pauses. No one told me that.
The reason why they want me is to kill me themselves.
Unless you did something illegal.
It's because I am able to do something that the Marines want, and know that if I fall in the wrong hands of somebody, that I can cause world destruction. So will you please let me have my captain and my friends back?
Romeo sits down, crisscrossed, and begins to ponder. Well, all my men are dead. My superior is nowhere to be found.
Oh yeah, the black hole. I sent him to another island or something. It's gonna take him a while before he finds where the fuck he is.
He freaks out. Are you awake?
Huh?
Oh, shoot. I thought my thunder was fully paralyzed. Unless you're some genetic freak.
Don't you know I'm a fucking dragon, dipshit?
Dragon? Hell is that?
You know what a dragon is, kid? We're like a dying breed of like one of the strongest creatures in the world.
Oh, those... Yeah! But Magma doesn't like to talk about him. For some reason he gets mad. He seems to be talking to himself. And they're in a monologue.
Listen, kid, we'll be out of your hair. Just please give us back my friends. I'm quit the Marines. I'm not going back. If it means that if they can go free, take me.
He sighs. Don't use your words. As he's saying this, he goes into his pocket and he pulls out a little folded thing. It flips over. It seems to be a movable chessboard. Talk with your moves.
Understood.
Well, it seems our friends are in a predicament. It seems they have lost the battle. What happened to Captain Doug? And what is planning about behind the scenes now that we have an interesting discussion going on? Well, we'll find out next time on Soul Rebirth.